CNC metal mold processing machine. Precise engraving, full of detail. Whether it is complex patterns, delicate text, or unique textures, CNC engraving is perfectly rendered with millimeter-level accuracy. Every knife, every line, is the ultimate pursuit of quality. Efficient hole milling, stable and reliable. From precision hole positions to complex structures, CNC milling technology is easy to handle. Imported high-precision ball screw and variable frequency water-cooled motor ensure long-term stable operation, so that every piece of work is impeccable. Why choose CNC machining? High precision, the error is less than 0.01 millimeters, meeting the most stringent industry standards. High efficiency, automatic operation, greatly improve production efficiency. Multifunctional, suitable for aluminum, copper, and other metals, widely used in mold, crafts, mechanical parts, and other fields. Whether it's an industrial part or an artistic creation, CNC metal die processing machines make your imagination come true.